Namaste everyone, my name is Vasundhara Talwari and welcome to the 5 days workshop on pranayama with me. Starting this Monday, that is the 8th of February 2021. First of all, thank you so much for choosing to be a part of this workshop, especially when it's happening so early in the morning. So thank you for choosing this workshop and thank you for choosing you. What should you expect from this workshop? Peace. Lots of peace. Which is so evasive. It's fleeting. It's hardly to be found in our lifestyles, in our existence, in our experiences through the day. So peace is what you're going to feel after the class is over. Peace, which is the breeding ground for all the manifestations to take place. If there's a whole lot of chaos, the manifestations take a long time. But when you are at peace, when your mind, when your body composition, when your emotions, feelings are all calm, is when miracles start happening. So peace is the breeding ground, as I say, for manifesting anything that you like in your life. Great relationships, better clarity, better communication, great bonding between you and all the people around you, great health, and a great, beautiful, satisfying life, a good quality life is all that you will get as a byproduct. It'll happen on the side. But the best part is the miracles that you'll experience when you are in silence, complete silence. I don't mean just zipping your lips, but actually experiencing cellular level silence is when things that have been evading all these years start coming closer. You become wiser, of course, with your choices because there's more clarity. There's obviously greater thought, more awareness, and therefore a good life. There are umpteen amounts of diseases that a good pranayam practice can cure, including cancer. So we'll talk a lot about that. We'll discuss that. We'll also address individual issues during the workshop. I'm going to send you a Google form for you to fill up and let me know what your expectations are. Are you going through any physical, mental problem that I need to know so that I can tweak the workshop accordingly and I can also address these issues in the workshop. I can also include some pranayama which are maybe advanced level pranayams but might help you with your issues. So please let me know. I'll send you the Google form shortly. Secondly, make sure that you bathe, that you have a shower before you come to the class. Experience this only for 5 days and see the level at which your personal experience of the practices go up to. Your level of awareness that goes up as well. So shower before the class, your pores open up, they're more receptive to the practices. And having slept overnight, there's a whole lot of toxic waste that our body has disposed out. And the biggest organ that it disposes the toxic item, the toxic waste through, is our skin. So when we wake up, obviously, one, we smell differently. We don't smell fresh. That's the toxic waste. And second, our pores are clogged. Therefore, have a shower and then come to the class. Second thing, please have a mat or a rug or a towel to sit on. Number 3, be empty stomach. It's going to be 5:30 a.m. for you all. So I'm hoping that you will be empty stomach. But in case you prefer having tea or coffee, please do not, because you need to be completely empty stomach. And in case you must have something, then have it 1 hour before the class. Fourth thing is have something to write on handy. Just in case you want to write something down, take note, find something that resonates with you, which you find important. Just feel free to write whatever comes to you. Make your own notes and feel free to share it in the group as well, so that everyone else benefits from the same. Make sure that you've slept well the previous night. Point number 5. Good sleep will enable you to do your pranayam even better. So sleep early so that you can wake up early. Have your dinner by 6:37. During sunset is the best time to have your dinner. And stay empty stomach after that. So don't feed yourselves, stuff yourselves with lots of food that becomes difficult to digest through the night. Yeah, because night is not meant for digestion. Night is for rest and restoration and recreation. Your digestion should happen between 6:37 and 9. And by the time it's your sleeping time and you go off to sleep. So please make sure that you follow this just for 5 days. That's all. See the difference. See the difference this lifestyle change brings to you, and know it for yourself. That's all from my side for now. If there's anything else that I would like you to be prepared with, I will let you know through Corina. Thank you so much, Corina, for bringing this beautiful little group of people together for our workshop. I'm super excited and looking forward for these 5 beautiful mornings with you. I will see you very, very soon. Mwah! And if no one told you today, I love you.